up guys, it's Kevin from K Squared Fitness. Today I'm going to be breaking down the alligator roll plus the arch up. Alright guys, I'm going to coach you guys through this. So the first thing to establish in the alligator roll is awareness of your pelvis. You got to lock down your ribs. Show me that you have control to get this position here. I call this the hollow body. Anytime your ribs are locked down, that's the strongest position of the core. So full extension hollow body looks like this. If you are here and you're arching your spine, this does nothing. This is no good for your body. I want you to turn on your core by pulling your ribs down. That's your strongest position. So once you've mastered the hollow body is when we'll add in the alligator roll. Without using your hands or your feet, use your obliques to pull you over. Ribs are down tight, my butt is squeezed, no arching the back, no hands or feet, glutes are squeezed, palms are facing up. Keep it tight. Tendency is when you roll to want to let this happen. Lock all that down every rep whenever you roll. That's the alligator roll plus the arch up. Get after it.